All right, just for the sake of showing that these fixtures do work, let me get it plugged in here. Okay, had a little hum. So obviously, let's check these out. And directions say not to put in or remove bulbs while the unit is powered on, so that's what we're gonna do, because we like to follow the rules. All right, selector switch on this end. I usually been setting them on medium, which is the sunshine setting. Okay, get that locked in. Let's go ahead and get another one because I just broke that one, but no big deal, because we got a bunch of them at $2 a piece. Okay, medium setting. It does help to have these ones to have the GE symbol facing up, or else you'll see the back side of the LED strip. All right, here goes nothing. All right, quite a bit brighter. Actually, let's do a side-by-side test here. Okay, well, in person it looks brighter than it does. I don't know, let me know what you guys think.